Why are leaves green? The amazing secret of photosynthesis. Have you ever walked past a tree and wondered, why are leaves green? Why aren't they bright blue like the sky? Or purple like a grape? Or rainbow-colored like a magical unicorn? Well, get ready for an amazing adventure, because today we're going inside a leaf to discover one of nature's greatest secrets. Welcome to the incredible world of photosynthesis. The tiny green factory. As we zoom into the leaf, something surprising appears. At first, the leaf looks flat and simple from the outside, but inside, it's buzzing with activity. It's like entering a giant factory filled with tiny workers. Inside every leaf are millions of microscopic structures called chloroplasts. Think of chloroplasts as tiny green factories. And inside those factories lives a special green substance called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the superstar of our story. It gives leaves their beautiful green color and helps plants capture energy from sunlight. Here's something really cool. Sunlight contains many colors mixed together. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Chlorophyll loves to absorb red and blue light, but it doesn't use much green light. Instead, it bounces the green light back toward our eyes. That's why leaves look green. The green color we see is actually the light the leaf doesn't use. Amazing, right? The sun-powered kitchen. Now, let's step inside one of these tiny green factories. Imagine a busy kitchen filled with tiny chef chloroplasts. These chefs are getting ready to make food. But unlike human chefs, they don't need ovens, refrigerators, or grocery stores. They only need 3 ingredients. First, sunlight from the sun. Second, water from the soil. Third, carbon dioxide from the air. The roots of the plant absorb water and send it up through tiny tubes in the stem. Meanwhile, tiny openings on the leaf, called stomata, act like little doors. These doors let carbon dioxide enter the leaf. Now, the ingredients are ready. The sunlight powers the process. The water and carbon dioxide are mixed together, and something magical happens. The plant creates glucose. Glucose is a type of sugar. Think of it as plant fuel. Just like you need food to run, jump, think, and play, plants need glucose to grow leaves, flowers, fruits, and roots. This incredible process is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means using light to make food. It's one of the most important processes on Earth. A plant's daily job. Plants don't take weekends off. They don't sleep all day. Whenever sunlight shines on their leaves, they're busy making food. A large tree can have hundreds of thousands of leaves working at the same time. Imagine thousands of tiny kitchens all cooking together. Every leaf is helping the tree grow taller and stronger. Some of the glucose is used right away for energy. Some is stored for later. That's why fruits can be sweet and why plants can survive even when the weather changes. Plants are constantly preparing for the future. The breath of life. Now comes the most amazing part. While plants are making their food, they create something extra, something every human and animal needs: oxygen. As plants make glucose, they release oxygen into the air. Those little stomata, the tiny leaf doors, let oxygen escape into the atmosphere. And guess what? That oxygen becomes the air we breathe. Take a deep breath right now. Inhale. Exhale. The oxygen entering your lungs may have been produced by a tree, a flower, or even a blade of grass. Without plants, there wouldn't be enough oxygen for people and animals to survive. Every forest, garden, park, and backyard helps keep our planet breathing. That's why plants are often called the lungs of the earth. Nature's amazing teamwork. Photosynthesis is a perfect example of teamwork. Plants take in carbon dioxide, which humans and animals breathe out. Then plants release oxygen, which humans and animals breathe in. It's like Earth has a giant recycling system. Everyone helps everyone else. Trees, flowers, bushes, grasses, insects, birds, animals, and people are all connected. And it all starts with a tiny green leaf. Fun leaf facts! Did you know some trees can produce enough oxygen in a year to help support several people? Did you know a sunflower follows the sun across the sky to capture more sunlight? And did you know that leaves change color in autumn because chlorophyll breaks down and reveals other hidden colors like yellow, orange, and red? Leaves are full of surprises. The secret hero in your backyard. So the next time you see a leaf, don't think of it as just a piece of a plant. Think of it as a tiny solar-powered factory, a busy kitchen, a food maker, an oxygen producer, and one of nature's greatest superheroes. Every green leaf is working hard every day to help keep life on Earth possible, all without making a sound. Now here's a question for you. Look around your neighborhood, garden, or backyard. Which plant do you think has the biggest green kitchen? A giant tree? A flowering bush? Or maybe a vegetable plant? Tell us in the comments. And if you enjoyed this adventure inside a leaf, don't forget to subscribe for more fun science stories, nature adventures, and amazing discoveries with Learn Fun Spot. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.